how to speed up fans on your Asus Tuf gaming laptop. So it's pretty simple, you can do it with two separate ways. First way how to do it is to press on your keyboard the function key and find the F5. Here is also the icon of the fan. So simply press function key and the F5 and it will change your fan speed or the mode. If you choose the turbo mode, your fans will rapidly increase. If you choose the silent mode, your fans will decrease. I recommend the turbo mode while playing games, etc. And another way how you can do it, if you don't want to use your keyboard, just open the Armoury Crate, which should be by default on your gaming laptop. And once it's opened, make sure you are in home section and you will find here the operating mode. Click here the turbo mode. In this area you will also see that the decibels are increasing because the fan speed are stronger. If you want to reduce that, simply choose the silent and it will decrease the fan speed. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.